This is snap. Hello and welcome to the Garage Report. My name's... I have been in my mouth. I have to go spit. Excuse me. Oh! Oh, came back at me. Feathers. What are feathers doing in there? Oh, God. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to cook bacon.
Welcome to the Gradual Report, where we gradually report.
The first step to cooking bacon is buying bacon.
Bacon, 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 bacon.
There's so many kinds of bacon.
The second step to cooking bacon is slapping the bacon.
Vosto, svinju jednu, ajde, jebem ti svinju pičku, materini jebem.
The next thing you're gonna need to cook bacon is fire. Ajde, ajde. Ah! The next thing you need to cook bacon is a pan.
Evo, šerpa za tebe.
The next thing you need to do before you cook the bacon is wash your hands.
Ruke.
Daj puno sapuna. Puno sapuna. Moraš prate ruke dobro. Ako pipneš dupe, onda pipneš hranu. Imaš kaka na hranu. I to se ne sme. Hajde, peri ruke, brate. Mora da budeju čist. Razumeš?
Step number 6, cook the bacon. Brate, te slanine prska svugde u pičku materinu. Moraš da ga pokriješ sa papirnim silvetu.
Evo, pokrenu ga.
I sad to treba 2-3 minuta da se ispeče. Dok se to radi, mi ćemo pevati jednu pesmu. Zamalo da zaboravim, moraš da ga prevrneš ponekada. Samo uzmeš štipanje i onda ga prevrneš. Ajde, flipper. Ajde. Nemoj sad da se zalepiš, jebote pičku matinu. Ajde, flipper, ajde. Flipper, flipping. Pokrijemo ga opet, da ne prska svugde. Neću ja to čistiti, jebote pičku matinu. All this must be done, otherwise the bacon will not be good. Now the bacon is done. Evo. Sad... skupiš i staviš na tanjir da se hladi malo. Congratulations, now you know how to cook bacon. Final summation. You don't have a sailboat or a ukulele and you can't sing the I'm Sailing song, then you will not be able to cook bacon properly. I'm sorry, that's just the way the world is. Don't worry, because I still love you, my little lemon drops. Do join us next Friday when we continue our very important work. And remember, if you follow me on Facebook and the Twitters and the things like that, your week might not be so boring. Because I'm an active social media situation guy thing. Yes, I am. Ha 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 ha. Goodbye.